Hi everyone, my name is Junko. I am an international recruitment specialist at the Northern Alberta Institute of Technology. It's called NAIT, NAIT. NAIT is located in Edmonton, the capital city of Alberta. So Alberta is just beside British Columbia in the western side in Canada. We are offering more than 100 programs to the international students, and there are so many areas of studies such as business, IT, engineering, trade, natural science, and more. And then we are focusing on hands-on training. So by the time our students finish their programs, they will have a knowledge and the skills employers are looking for. That's why we have a very good employment rate. Our school is based in Edmonton, where the living cost is very, very affordable. So we are getting a lot of international students these days because they can save a lot of money. And also our programs are more focusing on student employability. So we want to make sure that the student will find a job they want after they graduate. And we also have a very good industry connection. Our instructors have many years of experience in the industries. So they can set up a lot of networking event for students, and then they can also help our students to find a job. Please come to Canada. We are open to international students, and if you are interested in studying with NAIT, please apply through Pacific Premier because we have a long-term business relationship with them, and they are very familiar with our programs, and they are very familiar with our process as well. We have a huge trust in their customer service, so please apply through Pacific Premier.